Alright, welcome back. I'm in the old girl today. Let me go ahead and do a little high-speed disc. So, let's get to it. Alrighty, just got her going now. Just getting on some long roads here. I got both my angles done, and so yeah, that's pretty much the hardest part here. This is a nice square 80, so yeah, I've been here for half hour, and I'm probably a quarter of the way done already, so. I'm back, switching tractors. Wow, that's nice. Real nice, yeah. Oh wow, fire's right up too. Wow. Alright, I'll see you on the way. Alrighty, we made it to the field. I'm gonna go ahead and unfold my ripper here. Pretty good there. Well, I suppose I should lower my levelers. Yeah, we'll leave them a little bit up for now. Disco, it could probably go down a little bit here. Okay. Alright, just like that, we're rolling. From what I know, it looks fine. Not no big ripper guy or nothing, but this ground here is like extremely hard. Well, I'm just plugging away out here. She is pulling. It is very, very, very hard ground out here. This is the hardest ground I have ever seen. This field here that I'm working on, this one got nailed on real bad here. We had to rotary hoe with the spring. So besides, we planted into like mud, so it was I love this monitor. This is awesome. Just checking her over, making sure everything looks all right here. I know she's really pulling, so yeah, the disc, they're looking like they're doing a nice job. I can't see nothing else. So let's go ahead and climb back up in our cozy cab here and get back to her. Yeah, we're definitely pushing here. So I tried full auto, but I don't know. It's one of them things. Probably I don't want to do it with the ripper. Maybe you had a digger or something that might work a little better, or a high-speed disc like we got. I think they'd try it on there, but not on this new ripper in this hard ground that we've got. Definitely, I don't think that's what you want here. Yeah. Yeah, that ripper, she's pulling hard, definitely very hard. lights are better than our, I don't know, better than our lights on our grain lid. These are awesome. Here, I'm just gonna pull her out back here, see if, yeah, get her out of the way back here. I'll come back for her tomorrow. Man, she's awesome. Awesome. Alright, I'll see you next time.